Welcome back to Design Guy. Ready to see how to make your images smoothly fade out in Canva? Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 200 by 200 pixels as the dimensions. Once you've set the size, click Create again to start your new project. Go to Elements, then search for Image. Browse the results and select the image you want to use. Click on the image and it will be added to your new design workspace for editing. Select your example image, then set it as the background. Next, you can use apps like Image Blender to further customize or edit the photo, combining multiple layers to create your desired effect. Click on Image Blender to open the application. To use Image Blender, you'll need to create an account if you don't already have one. Follow the prompts to sign up or log in. Once you're signed in, you can start blending your images right away. In Image Blender, you can use additional options beyond blending. Click Add Elements to access more tools. For example, type blur in the search bar to find and apply blur effects to your image as needed. For the blur element, click See All. Choose the option you want to use. After selecting it, you will need to customize the settings for your specific needs. Expand the blue area by clicking and dragging the border. This will enlarge the section, allowing you to hide the elements inside for a cleaner workspace. Increase the size as needed, and if you require more of the same element, you can create duplicates to streamline your process efficiently. After you finish your work, click the Share button at the top right of the screen. Then, select Download from the drop-down menu that appears. You'll see options to save your file as either a PNG image or a PDF for printing. Choose your preferred format and your file will be downloaded directly to your device for easy access. You've learned how to fade images to transparent in Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more quick design tips.